Welcome to today's lesson, LED lighting, what every beginner should know. If you're just getting started in the electrical field, whether in school, in training, or on the job, understanding LED lighting is one of the most important things you can do. Why? Because LED lighting isn't just the future of lighting, it's the present. In this episode, we'll walk through what LED lighting actually is, why it was developed, what makes it different from traditional lighting, and how you can expect to work with it in the field. Let's start simple. LED stands for light emitting diode. It's a solid state light source, which means it doesn't have a filament or a gas like other light bulbs. Instead, it creates light by moving electrons through a tiny semiconductor chip. That may sound technical, but all you really need to know right now is this. An LED is like a tiny electronic component that lights up when electricity passes through it. It's small, efficient, durable, and incredibly versatile. That's what makes it a game changer. Years ago, lighting systems were mostly incandescent, fluorescent, or HID, but now LEDs are replacing nearly all of them in both residential and commercial applications. So if you're going into the electrical field, learning how LED systems are different and how to install them, troubleshoot, and upgrade them is absolutely essential. Here's a short version. In an LED, electricity flows through a semiconductor. That flow creates light with almost no heat loss. That means less energy wasted and more light output per watt. Unlike traditional light bulbs that send light in all directions, LEDs are directional. They focus their light in one area. That's super helpful for task lighting, street lighting, and any application where you want to aim the light precisely. In older lighting systems, you had two parts, the lamp or bulb, and the luminaire or the fixture that holds it. With LED systems, the lamp and the luminaire are often one unit. That means the light source is built right into the fixture. For example, many modern LED downlights or floodlights have no bulb to replace. If something goes wrong, you replace the entire unit. That can make maintenance easier or trickier depending on the system that is designed. But it's a different way of thinking compared to older systems. Now let's talk about LED efficiency and efficacy. You might hear the term efficacy in lighting. It means how much light output in lumens you get per watt of electricity. LEDs are highly efficient and can deliver more useful light than traditional sources. Even if the lumens per watt look similar on paper, the directional nature of LEDs means more light actually reaches where it's needed. And here's something cool. LEDs get even more efficient when you dim them. Unlike older bulbs that waste energy when dimmed, LEDs save energy and run cooler. You've probably seen LEDs in flashlights, TVs, car headlights, street lights, Christmas lights, smart home lighting. But today they are also used for roadways and tunnels, stadiums, and sports field lighting, airports and runways, retail displays in restaurants, hospitals, schools, hotels, and offices. You will also find LEDs in places you don't see, like under cabinets, behind signs, or inside ceiling covers. One of the biggest advantages of LED lighting is color control. LEDs can be designed to produce white light in different color temperatures, cool, natural, or warm, colored light, red, blue, green, etc., even tunable white or color changing effects controlled by an app or system. Well-designed LED systems provide consistent color from fixture to fixture, with almost no visible difference, even in large installations. Now let's talk about retrofitting to LED. Let's say you're working in a building that has older lighting, fluorescent tubes, metal highlight bulbs, or incandescents. The good news is you don't always have to rip out the entire system. There are LED retrofit kits and replacement lamps designed to fit the existing fixtures. That makes upgrades cheaper, faster, and less disruptive. As a tech, you'll often be asked to upgrade old systems to LED. Understanding form factors, drivers, and compatibility will help you get the job done right. Here are some of the reasons why LED lighting is so popular. First is that it's highly energy efficient, which means it saves money on power bills. 2. It has a long lifespan. Many last 25 to 50,000 hours or more. 3. Low maintenance. Fewer replacements needed. 4. Is directional light. It's perfect for focused lighting. 5. It has customizable color and brightness. And 6. It works well with dimmers and smart systems. And finally 7. It's obviously environmentally friendly. No mercury or toxic gases. As a student or a new installer, here are some helpful tips. Always check voltage compatibility. Some LED systems are low voltage and require special drivers. Learn the difference between integrated LEDs and replaceable lamps. Understand that LEDs use drivers instead of traditional ballasts. Not all LEDs are dimmable, so look for compatible controls. And finally, watch out for thermal management. LEDs last longer when they're kept cool. So let's wrap it all up with a quick review. LED lighting is modern, efficient, and transforming the lighting industry. It uses solid-state technology to produce bright, reliable, and focused light. LEDs are being used everywhere, from homes and cars to factories and skyscrapers. They are replacing older lighting types because of their efficiency, lifespan, and flexibility. As an electrical professional, you will work with LED systems regularly, so learn how they are installed, powered, controlled, and maintained. Thanks for listening to this beginner guide to LED lighting. Whether you're heading to class, your apprenticeship, or your first job site, remember, LED technology is always evolving, so keep learning, ask questions, and stay curious. You are building a skill set that will be valuable for years to come. Until next time, stay safe, stay sharp, and keep lighting the way forward.